Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Really quick video today to show you how to assign dimensions to a single dual account. Now, if you know dimensions, they help you with categorization in Business Central for easier tracking. So it's very important to add them so that you can track your expenses and your income in your financial statement. Also, if you want to know more about how to set up a dual account or how to set up new categories for a specific dual account, those videos are present in the channel right now. You can go ahead and watch them. The link will be in the description below. So let's get into this video. For starting, you are going to go into your chart of accounts. Always keep in mind you can also access them through the search bar up here. Now, I'm just going to show you quickly. For instance, I'm going to select this one right here, and we are going to click on account, and you will see we have the dimension that we can select here. So it's very easy for you to find the dimension to apply to a specific GL account. Now, if you choose to edit the list, it will give you this view, which is a different view for you to have on Business Central when it comes to your GL account. And if you do the same thing, so if you click on the account and you see we have the dimensions here, if you click on the arrow, so you see we can add the dimension here as well. I just wanted to show you that no matter which view you are using, you can actually go ahead and add your dimension for your GL account. Now, let's go ahead and add dimension. So I'm going to select one of the GL account that we have here. So let's say I'm going to select advertising. So you are going to open this GL account. So this is GL account card, and you will see it is the same. We've got the account here, and you see we've got the dimension option, which you can click on, which will then open this little window for you where you can then add the information to apply the dimension. So here in the dimension code, for instance, right now we've got different options that we can choose. So this is advertising. Let's say I choose department. And then we've got the dimension value code, which you can then click, and it will give you the different department that you can apply this specific GL account to. Now, this is advertising, so I'm going to put it into sales, and you will see it will already classify that specific financial transaction into that department. So I wanted to also show you that if you select different dimension code, what happens. So let's say you've got here sales campaign, you will see here in the code, you will have other code that you can select, which is specific to the new dimension code that you've selected. So for right now here, we've got summer winter in terms of sales campaign that we're doing. So you can go ahead and do that. For the department, we've added sales. Now it really depends to you if you want to add more than one dimension. Usually if you want more details, you can go ahead and add them, or if you want to keep it simple and just to have everything into one dimension, you can just add one for right now. And then when it comes to the value posting, I usually choose a code mandatory, which is going to give people the indication that they need to add the dimension code value. So this is how you go about adding the different dimensions in a GL account. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.